Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest tools to make your life easier. In today's video, we're going to showcase 10 cool tools that are a must-have for woodworking, cleaning, gardening, and even electrical work. So let's dive right in and discover these amazing gadgets.
The Britain 7-inch square with 21-pin locking angles is a versatile and durable tool designed for precise and repeatable cuts. Its unique angle lock mechanism allows for easy angle adjustment using the index plunger button, ensuring accuracy. The 3-level vials on the locking arm provide quick and easy leveling and plumbing checks, reducing the need for additional tools. Made from high-quality materials like aluminum and stainless steel with laser-engraved markings, the Britain Square is built to withstand heavy use and resist warping, cracking, and breaking. Its versatile design allows it to be used as a saw guide, protractor, level, pitch finder, angle finder, plumb bob, straight edge, and circular scriber.
The Bi-Plus Gutter Cleaning Wand is a practical and versatile tool designed to clean gutters efficiently from the ground. Its telescoping pole can extend up to approximately 11 feet, allowing you to reach most second-story gutters without the need for ladders or manual blockage removal. The tool's universal thread ensures compatibility with most standard threaded tools, making it convenient to use. Equipped with a flexible and bendable 21-inch gutter wand, you can easily maneuver it along the gutter system. The nozzle of the wand is adjustable, enabling you to control the water flow from weak to strong, catering to different cleaning tasks. In addition to gutter cleaning, this tool is also ideal for cleaning soffits, removing leaves and molds, and even watering plants. Please note that the effectiveness of the tool is dependent on the water pressure from your garden hose. Simplify your gutter maintenance with the Bi-Plus Gutter Cleaning Wand. The Clean Home Tile Tub Scrubber Brush is a versatile bathroom cleaning tool designed to make your cleaning tasks easier. It features 3 different function cleaning heads, including a stiff bristle brush for tile floors and walls, 2 scouring pads for bathtubs and tubs, and a gentle microfiber pad for mirrors and glass. This brush is not limited to bathroom cleaning, it can also be used as a floor scrub brush and a duster for cars and kitchen surfaces. The extendable long handle can be adjusted from 35-inch to 56-inch, allowing you to reach high and low areas effortlessly. The telescopic pole is detachable, providing the option to use the brush head as a handheld brush or duster separately. With its multi-functionality and durable construction, the Clean Home Tile Tub Scrubber Brush is a reliable tool for efficient cleaning. The Extendable MX Paint Edger 11-piece Jumbo Kit is a game-changer in the world of painting, offering a revolutionary solution for cutting and paint edges quickly and effortlessly. With patented technology, this innovative tool eliminates the need for tedious taping and hand cutting, saving you hours of time and frustration. The Extendable is designed to be fast and efficient, painting 10 to 20 times faster than a traditional sash brush. It cuts in 5 to 8 feet per load, covering a wide 4-inch band with each stroke. This remarkable speed not only reduces the time spent on a project but also greatly increases productivity. One of the standout benefits of the Extendable is its labor-saving capabilities. By drastically reducing the time and effort required for cutting and paint, this tool can reduce the number of painters needed on a job by 50% or more. The labor savings alone can pay for the Extendable on the very first day of use. What sets the Extendable apart is its ability to consistently deliver professional results, even for painters with limited experience. It ensures straight, clean edges with no paint on the trim, resulting in a flawless finish every time. The Extendable is versatile and can be used for cutting and paint around doors, windows, ceilings, both smooth and textured surfaces, accent walls, baseboards, crown molding, chair rails, and more. Its adaptability makes it a valuable tool for various painting projects. Invented by a professional painter who sought to improve efficiency and consistency, the Extendable combines a roller, shield, and brush into one powerful tool. It has gained recognition and popularity among both professional painters and homeowners. Say goodbye to the tedious work of hand cutting and tape application. With the Extendable MX Paint Edger, you can achieve professional-grade results in less time, allowing you to enjoy the transformation of your space without the hassle. The Best Nail 4-piece nail setter set is a versatile and efficient toolkit that caters to a range of punching and setting needs. It includes a dual-head nail setter for quick hole punching in wood, offering different head sizes for various hole sizes and marking purposes. The set also features a dual-head center punch and nail setter, which can be used on both wood and metal surfaces to create perfectly centered and highly visible marks. Additionally, the hammerless cold chisel in the set serves as a reliable driver tool for removing rivets, small screws, and mandrels with ease. The hinge pin remover punch is specifically designed to flatten and remove hinge pins without causing damage. Compact in size, the set is perfect for use in tight spaces, and its high-strength spring-loaded system eliminates the need for separate tools. With its versatility and convenience, the Best Nail 4-piece nail setter set is a valuable addition to any toolkit. The Goldblatt 2-piece glass scraper set with 20-piece blades is a versatile and durable cleaning toolkit. It includes a 4-inch scraper and a 3 to 1/2-inch scraper, catering to various cleaning needs. The 4-inch scraper is perfect for larger areas, while the 3 to 1/2-inch scraper easily reaches narrow spaces. Both scrapers feature a convenient blade storage slot at the handle end, ensuring safe storage and easy blade replacement. The 4-inch scraper is equipped with a 12-inch long handle, providing extended reach and leverage for efficient cleaning. The soft grip handles offer ergonomic comfort, reducing hand fatigue and providing superior balance and strength. With these scrapers, you can easily remove adhesives, stickers, labels, glue, paint, and more from surfaces such as glass, tiles, walls, and even cooktops and bakeware. The Goldblatt 2-piece glass scraper set is a versatile and reliable toolkit for all your cleaning needs. The King Tool 325-piece home repair toolkit is a comprehensive and convenient set designed for small repairs and DIY projects. It comes in a 1-drawer storage box with an independent sliding drawer, providing a larger capacity than common toolboxes. The durable plastic case has internal molded compartments, keeping each component protected and easily accessible. All tools in the kit meet or exceed ANSI standards, ensuring high quality and performance. With a wide range of professional-grade wrenches, sockets, screwdrivers, pliers, a hammer, tape measure, and more, this kit has everything you need for various tasks. The 72-tooth ratchet ensures smooth operation, and the variety of screwdriver bits offers versatility. Soft grip handles on select tools provide excellent comfort and control. The King Tool 325-piece home repair toolkit is perfect for handyman, construction workers, mechanics, and workshops, providing a comprehensive assortment of reliable tools. The Sons of Magnetic Screwdriver Set is a comprehensive 66-piece toolkit made from durable S2 alloy tool steel. It includes slotted, Phillips, and Torx mini precision screwdrivers with replaceable screwdriver bits. The set comes with a sturdy toolbox for easy organization and portability. The screwdrivers feature a triangle stereo handle design to prevent rolling and provide a comfortable grip. The handle is also magnetic, allowing for easy attachment and retrieval of screws. With its hang-hole design, the screwdriver set can be conveniently stored. This versatile set offers convenience, durability, and efficiency for various projects. The Orange Ninja 4-stage knife sharpener by Sharp Pebble is a premium kitchen tool designed to quickly and easily sharpen a wide variety of knives. With its adjustable handheld design, this manual sharpener is suitable for kitchen knives, pocket knives, chef knives, and serrated knives. The sharpening process is completed in 3 stages: coarse, medium, and fine, ensuring optimal sharpening results. Using this kitchen gadget is effortless. Simply place the blade in each slot and gently pull the knife through a few times for fast and effective sharpening. The Orange Ninja sharpener is suitable for both right-handed and left-handed individuals, thanks to its ergonomic handle design. With this tool, you can effortlessly restore your cooking knives to a razor-sharp edge in a matter of seconds. The Ruital Bench Dog Clamp is a versatile tool designed for woodworking. It can clamp workpieces with a maximum thickness of 2 3/4 inch 70 mm and fits hole sizes with a diameter of 3/4 inch 19 mm. With its lightweight and one-handed operation, it is easy to use and allows for easy adjustment of clamping pressure without causing damage. The clamp can apply up to 600 pounds of adjustable clamping pressure, ensuring a secure hold and preventing workpiece movement. Made of high-quality and durable materials, it is built to last. This compact clamp is perfect for general woodworking tasks and is a handy tool to have in your workshop.